Now we need to add an additional mass over here on the eastern portion of the town hall. I'll go to the level 2 floor plan and add a mass. Again, this will be an extrusion, and I'll zoom in closer to the eastern portion of the design. Now I'll draw in some lines. Hit escape and zoom in closer. Draw an additional line here and work your way around the plan. I'll use the trim tool to connect lines into corners. And notice here that I didn't snap this correctly. I'm going to zoom in closer. That's really not a problem. I can modify, select this line, drag it up and down, and then drop it right on the line you want. I'll do the same with this line. I'll drag it left and right, and then drag and drop it right there on the CAD drawing, like that. Let's zoom all to fit, and then zoom in closer to the top portion of this drawing, and then draw some additional lines. I'll hit escape, and then trim these lines together. Maybe I should zoom in and make sure that the lines look like they're snapping, and they do. In this case, I could move this line up just by dragging it and dropping it there. Okay, now I think I have a closed loop, so I'll say Finish Sketch, and let's look at it in isometric. It looks like this overhangs the first level a little bit. And otherwise there are no seams. It also appears that this new mass is taller than the mass over here. I'd like to make them the same. So I'll select this mass and grab the top handle and drag it down. You'll notice that the earlier mass highlighted on the top. When I let go of the mouse, those two are connected on the same level. To verify that, let's look in the south elevation and make sure that they're lined up, and it looks like all of the masses on the second level end when they reach the third level, and that's what I want. Let's go back to the isometric view and investigate. That's how your second level masses should appear. You can save your work.